Debit, what comes in; credit, what goes out. While this iconic phrase captures the essence of commerce, the discipline goes beyond this ledger entry. Commerce is the language of business and a symphony of transactions. We invite you to unlock a pathway to preferred and stable career options. Pursue a Bachelor of Commerce at Chandigarh University, India's #1 private university. Our BCom program is tailored to set the foundation for your success in the corporate landscape through new-age specializations. Our curriculum offers a diverse range of courses. We enhance your all-round development with value addition courses covering life skills, mentoring, soft skills, aptitude, communication skills, and social and professional ethics. Sharpen your abilities and skills through skill enhancement courses to make you a sought-after commerce professional. Immerse yourself in experiential learning with talks by industry experts and regular workshops that bridge the gap between theory and practice. Your career pathways are diverse after completing this program. Join our successful alumni with top-notch placements in leading companies. Secure your path to success. Enroll now at Chandigarh University.